The Nike Shox R4 returns with a bold new twist, drawing inspiration from the mesmerizing Northern Lights. This latest general release, GR, edition features reflective multicolor accents, shades of blue, green, yellow, and purple, that create an iridescent, glowing effect even when still. The jet black base amplifies the vivid overlays, extending across the laces and the signature piston heel unit for sharp contrast. Though the Shox R4 isn't as breathtaking as the Aurora Borealis, it's making noise in the lifestyle scene with its creative revivals and modern colorways. The shimmering wavy stripes and kaleidoscopic quarter panels are designed to pop under direct light, adding flair to any look. Nike has kept the drop date quiet, but this eye-catching version is expected to appear on Nike.com and at select retailers in the coming weeks. While the regular Shox R4 retails at $160, this special edition may carry a slight premium, worth it for fans chasing that luminous aesthetic.